Michael Phelps said, and I quote, "There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits." Hi beautiful people, how are you doing today? In this video, I share tips on how you can putting away that dream of yours, that aspiration that you have, or you don't believe in yourself, you don't believe in yourself. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the place for go-getters, dreamers, and achievers. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning to this page. Please don't forget to like this video. It is very important. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Please sit back, relax, and smash on the subscribe button after watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I see you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I see you. Thank you so much for the loves, the support. I see you, and God bless you all. Our highest potential is actually fulfilled when we realize that we create our own destiny. Yes, we cannot expect to achieve our goals through others. Rather, we have to achieve our goals through our own action. This is the perfect response in dealing with people who add no value to your life. And once we can grasp this, we can achieve greatness, and greatness through our efforts and creation without guilt. And guess what? You can do this by the construction of a framework that makes us unstoppable. Now, today I'll be discussing 10 ways to become unstoppable. Come with me, let's go. Before I proceed, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and of course a YouTuber. I'm based here in San Jose, California. Are you planning to start your YouTube channel or grow your YouTube channel and get monetized within 6 months? Yes, I started my channel and I got monetized. I was able to get monetized within 6 months. So if you are interested, check out my masterclass. You find the link in the description below. It's free, ready, and available for you to watch like any single time. See, all you need to do is just click on it, and you are on your way to getting monetized on YouTube. Don't mind my boss behind me. Yeah, that's my boss right there. Here are the tips. Come with me, let's go. Number one, be your own creator. Yes, the only person you are destined to become is the person that you decide to be. Yes, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Yes, he said that. Through our observations and expectations, we literally create our own reality. Number two, no fear. Yes, so in times of adversity and change, we really discover who we really are and who we are made up of. Yeah. And one thing is this that I've realized: you don't know how strong you are until being strong is the only option that you have. Yes, so Roger that. Number three, be crazy and different. You know what? Your theory is crazy, but it's not crazy enough not to be true. It takes a vast amount of courage to act on crazy and different ideas. Yes, so however, the people who move the world forward are those who act on their crazy ideas. Like flashes of lightning swirling around the sky, bold and crazy ideas will make their way into your mind. Yes, and just make sure that you are crazy enough to act on them before they disappear. Number four, put a dent in the universe. Steve Jobs once said, "We are here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be here?" If you notice, if you look at history, you find out that top performers actually dream big. Top performers truly dream big, and if you desire to put a dent in the universe, just as Steve Jobs did, then act like it were possible. Then act as if it were impossible to fail. Yes, so quit discussing and just do it. Set a goal that is so unbelievably extraordinary that you can't achieve it until you develop into the person that you can. Remember, if you dream it, you can be the first to achieve it. Yes. Number five, visualization. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Like I always say, visualize your success. Visualize your success and it will happen. I came across an intriguing idea really regarding visualization in psychocybernetics by Dr. Maxwell Maltz. The idea was to create a mind movie where the brain thinks and creates in terms of images. And Maltz instructs us that the brain and nervous system are obeying servants of pictures placed in our mind. Yes, the key in using the mind movie is to dive deep into the movie and visualize the small details to make it as real as possible. Number six, exercise and neurogenesis. Yes, exercise is miracle. Yes, so exercise is miracle for the brain. Yes. According to Dr. John Ratney, the best-selling book, Spark, The Revolutionary New Science of Exercise and the Brain, Dr. John discusses the correlation between exercise and intellect. He found that aerobic exercise is the optimal vehicle for the production of a magical substance. And this magical substance is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. So whenever I say BDNF, you know what I mean, which is a nerve growth factor that impacts development, function, and growth of our brain cells. BDNF is the most powerful and active substance stimulating exercise, and we can literally grow our brain cells and increase our intellect through exercise. Yes, so tip number 7 is to read. We become the books that we read. And like I said in my previous videos, I said that when you read, you're more or less hanging out with the authors. Yeah, if you read Becoming by Michelle Obama, you're literally hanging out with her because she wrote the book and you are literally sitting with her and discussing. Yes, that's how it is. So we become the books that we read. You know, BDNF is a protein that encourages the growth of new neurons and synapses through axon and dendrite sprouting. So continuing our discussion from exercise and neurogenesis, it has been discovered that running increases BDNF production, which increases neuron growth. We must use our brain in order to keep the wiring strong. Now, read at every available opportunity, like while exercising, while exercising and driving. Audiobooks, that's what I mean. Don't go and carry a physical book and a hard copy and start reading and say Miriam said no, said that. No, because while you're driving, you can actually listen to audiobooks. You can read to your children, and while waiting in line, you can actually pick up, a book and read. Never miss an opportunity to read. So what I do is when I wake up in the morning, I say my prayers, I read for an hour, before I get out of bed. So that's the only way I can inculcate reading into my daily routine, because I'm a student as well. So I have, other projects, schoolwork to catch up with my assignments and what have you, so that's one thing that, you need to find a way to incorporate into your daily routine. So never, like I said earlier, never miss an opportunity to read. Reading allows doors to open in your mind, doors that were always present but previously closed. Now, number 8, focus and intensity. Now, the question isn't who is going to let me. It is who is going to stop me. Yes, so Grant Cardone wrote in his awesome book, The 10 Times Rule, that we must take massive action to succeed in life. He said, and I quote, "Assume that every project you attempt will take more time, more energy, money, energy, effort, and people than you can imagine. So multiply every expectation by 10 and you will probably be safe." Yes. The bottom line is that once you define what you want, put the intensity and hyper focus into it and define what 10 times activity means, then you will achieve your goal. And number 9 is map your mind. Yes, so a bad system will beat a good person every time. Yes, I understand the significant benefits of simply mapping out a process, and I understand the benefits of using a powerful technique in generating unique and creative ideas for sorting your thoughts. Now, mind mapping is an impressive tool that helps you to map connections in your mind, brainstorm new ideas, and uncover new relationships between ideas. Now, simply start by exploring an idea or concept, then create branches and sub-branches around the main idea. Number 10, discover your purpose. Nothing ever goes away until it teaches us what we need to know. So for us to be able to use each of these powerful hacks to become unstoppable, we must first have a solid foundation. Yes, we must discover what drives us. We must discover what our purpose is. My family actually provide meaning in a world of chaos. Yes, when my daughter was born, I recall when my daughter was born, she motivated me to create my own life, to become fearless, to be crazy and different, and to put a dent in the universe, to visualize success, to keep my mind and body in peak conditions, to adopt a hyper-focused mindset and even map out my life. But the greatest thing my daughter provided me was the ability to love my family, to love my husband more than I ever have, and this provided me a lifetime of motivation and fuel to become unstoppable. So Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I remain your girl, Chassis. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button and leave your comments below. I can't wait to read from you guys. And don't forget to share this video with your friend. Don't forget to like this video. Big Kokwane, you know now. So thank you so much, guys. And I just want to remind you that you are unstoppable. Yes, if you can dream it, you can actually achieve it. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. I am rooting for you. I believe in you, and I know that you will definitely make it. So for those of you that are interested in joining my Facebook group, it's called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. So if you're interested in joining my Facebook group, please go ahead and click on the link. I'll leave the link in the description below to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. So I'll see you again next week with another powerful and exciting episode. Till then, keep winning and keep shining. Mwah. God bless you.